Hello, my friends. My name is Arya Mukherjee. Welcome to my video series, Syntech Microprocessor. In this video series, we are discussing about 8086 microprocessor. In the previous video, I discussed about the addressing modes, and this video is also a continuation of addressing modes. In this video, we are dealing with mainly the indirect addressing modes. Pay your attention, my friends, because it's very much useful and very much important in the all addressing modes. So indirect addressing modes, if you want to be a good programmer, you must learn this one, as well as it's very much important for your university exam also. So let's start. We have mainly four types of indirect addressing modes. The first one is register indirect. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean by register indirect? Why indirect addressing modes? Whenever we have all of we have the direct addressing modes. Indirect addressing modes is very much useful to fetch a series of data like consecutive 200 location, consecutive 100 location by the instruction increment inc. Okay, so we make it a loop and done it by the indirect addressing modes. First one is register indirect. We can see that here in the register indirect, that is bx in the square bracket, that is bx is a register. Let's take the first example. Move cl bx in square bracket. What does it mean? Bx is not giving the data. Bx is an address. Cl is getting the data whose location is bx. Okay, my friend. Cl is getting the data whose location is bx in the data segment. Let's take the next example, that is cx in the square bracket bx. This is also same, that cx is a 16-bit register and cx is getting the data from the location of bx. That means cx consists of cl plus ch. With these two 8-bit register, cl is getting the data from location bx and ch is getting the data from the location bx plus 1. That means the next location of bx. Okay, my friend. Here we have base register bx. We have four general purpose register. We know that, and we can only use bx as a base register in the indirect addressing modes. Not ax, not cx, not dx, only bx. And bp is the base pointer, only used in stack segment. We have two index register, that is stack index and data index, si and di. These are all the general theory or the general points on this indirect addressing modes. I hope all of you know C or Python programming. There is one portion that is called array. You can relate this indirect addressing modes with array, because we use indirect addressing modes mainly to transfer a block of data, that is block transfer program, reverse of a block. In this case, that means we are dealing here consecutive ample of data. So come to the next point, that is register relative indirect addressing modes, where the address is getting by the register plus displacement. Suppose a data segment, starting from the location 300. What you do at first? You just initialize bx with the location 3000. What is your what is your uh, what do you mean by the 3005? How do you get the data from 3005? Hence, we just write bx plus 05 hex and you get the data from 3005 location as you initialize bx in 3000. Okay, my friend. In the first example, we can see move cl comma in the third bracket bx plus 03 hex. That means cl is getting the data from the offset address of bx plus 3. That means if we initialize bx in 2000, cl is getting the data from the location 2003 hex. Or if we initialize the bx in 3000, cl is getting the data from the location 3003 hex. This is all about register relative. You are using here bx as a pointer to get data around of it by plus 3 plus 3 hex 03x or plus 05x or minus. Okay, come to the next point, that is base indexed. What does it mean, base indexed? Here we are getting data from base register plus index register. All of we know that there are two type of index register, that is SI and DI. Mainly in this portion, base indexed. Base index is including the actual series of data or in the location of offset address, that is indicating by the base register, and the SI, that means index register, is indicating the actual location under the location of base register. Okay, my friend. Come to the first example, that is move CL in the bracket BX plus SI. That means CL is getting the data from the location of base register BX, under that the location of index register SI. Come to the next point, that is base indexed. That is base relative plus index. We can see that it is the mixture of previous three. If you understand previous 3 points, it is easier for you to make understand, because we are getting the address by base register plus index register plus displacement. We can see the example, move CL in the first bracket, third bracket, BX plus SI plus 03 hex. That means this instruction is consist of base register plus index register plus displacement, by which we are getting the data. These are all about indirect addressing mode. In the previous video, I discussed about other 4 kinds of addressing modes. Those are, let's get a recapitulate. Those are immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, and implied addressing mode. and this is indirect addressing modes. So these are all about addressing modes. Hope you like my video. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.